All right, this is a ultrasonic cleaner, and I'm going to go ahead and put some tinfoil in the water. Set for 15 minutes, and I'll do a time lapse. As for anybody that's knowing, this is Kirkland brand tinfoil. It's a little bit thicker than normal. So I'm going to put the tinfoil in here and just kind of see if I can get it to like suspend off the bottom. And then I'm going to turn it on, mute the video. It's going to go for 15 minutes, and it blows my mind. It's crazy how crazy this works. Okay, I'm going to start it. Pretty snazzy. That's it. Kind of crazy. That is the only thing that was left. Oh, and then there's a little widget in there. Anyway, that's it.